keyword research on Google. But do you know, YouTube is the second most used platform for content research after Google? So YouTube SEO is also necessary for channel growth. And every optimization starts with keyword research. This term sounds very simple and you might think that finding the right keywords is not a very challenging task. Well, it's not, but only if you know the hacks to do the keyword research. In this video, I'll split down what YouTube keyword research is and how you can do that in the right way. Hey guys, my name is Asta from PaperVideo. Today I will tell you how to do keyword research for your YouTube videos in just a few minutes. Before we begin though, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. What is YouTube keyword research? A YouTube keyword is the same as any other keyword. It's a word or phrase that explains the topic or core topics of the video. The right keyword leads you to the right audience and makes your content searchable. Therefore, doing your research and creating content by focusing on keywords is essential. Eventually, good keyword research directs to increased viewership, more likes, more subscribers, and a growth to your overall channel. What is keyword research? Keywords are the basis of solid search marketing strategies. Search engine optimization, also known as SEO, and search engine marketing, also known as SEM, start with keywords. Perhaps keyword research is the most crucial step in your YouTube video SEO. Keyword research ensures that you are optimizing your video for terms that people actually search. How to find the solid keywords for YouTube? Now that you know why keyword research is important, let's understand the process of YouTube keyword research. Choose a topic. The first step of every research is finalizing the topic. Similarly, for keyword research, you should start with picking the topic. While selecting the topic, keep a few things in mind. Choose a relevant topic, be unique with your approach, and keep your topic broad enough. Utilize YouTube's autosuggest tool. The next thing you should do is type the keyword. Usually, this gives you an idea of what people are searching for and how people have approached the topic till now. If you don't find any results, then you should think twice about the selected topic. See the competition. Once you have understood how strongly the topic is covered so far, analyze the existing videos and make a final report about viewers and creators' approaches towards the subject. After analyzing the data, check out the competition level and ask yourself questions. Have other creators covered everything? Do I have anything exceptional to tell the audience on the same topic? Use YouTube keyword research tools. After utilizing the autosuggest tool, now it's time to take a step forward. For a better idea of keywords, you should switch to external keyword research tools. There are many paid and unpaid tools in the market, so you don't need to worry about the budget. Every tool varies in the interface and features, but essential features are similar in every tool and they're pretty handy. What are the best YouTube keyword tools? Finding the right keyword research tool is pretty tough, so it depends on which tool you find easier or budget fit if you are going for the paid ones. Here I'm going to tell you about 5 keyword research tools that you can try. Number 1, YouTube Analytics. Every platform has its own analytics tool and you should always start with that. Therefore, start your keyword research with YouTube Analytics. YouTube Analytics will give you all the behavioral details of an existing audience, what they like and dislike, and what do they want in the future. From there, you can base the rest of your keyword research on similar topics. Number 2, Google Trends. Google knows the importance of video optimization for YouTube, and Google Trends has a special tab just for YouTube content. This feature is absolutely free. Google Trends will tell you the current trends, and it can also filter the YouTube trends specifically. Google Trends is a useful tool for keyword research as well. It shows the real-time results and related terms of your keyword. Number 3, Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is a complete SEO tool and not significantly just for YouTube. But since this is a general tool, it gives you an idea about the status of your keyword. By ensuring enough people are searching for your keywords, you can create videos that will display up in general search, which still likens to a broader audience and more views. Number 4, vidIQ. Considered one of the best paid YouTube keyword research tools in the market, vidIQ makes it very easy for creators to do the required research for successful video marketing. It gives tons of features like keyword templates that are profitable when creating various videos, a keyword translator, and much more. Number 5. TubeBuddy. Another tool you should use is TubeBuddy. It is a paid tool, but you can download a free browser extension and a mobile app that links directly to YouTube. TubeBuddy's video SEO tools consist of a keyword explorer to help you find long terms to target what people are looking for. A best practice audit ensures automated checks and an auto translator that translates your video's title into other languages to increase global viewership. That's it, guys. Here I have summed up top ways to do keyword research for your YouTube videos. Now, you just need to get started as soon as you create your first video. Wait, do one more thing before going. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Share any tips that worked for you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.